Everyone, welcome back to Area Blog. So, if you ever wonder how website actually came alive, with a button that respond, animation that move or form that validate your data, so the magic behind all that is JavaScript. So, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to JavaScript, what it is, why it is so powerful, and how it fits into the modern web development and in the era of AI. So stick around because this is the first step toward becoming a real web developer. So the question is, what is JavaScript? So let's start. So JavaScript basically, in theoretical term, JavaScript is a programming language that allow you to make web page interactive and dynamic. Dynamic means you can take the input from the user, you can display the output to the user. Basically you can do a lot of things. Basically in some sense you can interact with the user. So if you think of a website as a person, so there are three things, like every website is made of that basically. So the first thing is HTML, and HTML is a skeleton, like basically it give you a structure. So think about a human. So the bones is basically a skeleton. So that is the HTML. CSS is the skin color. Skin color is basically like either you are fair or a black or this kind of things, right? And it gives you a style, how it hairs look, everything basically. And JavaScript is the brain, the most important thing of a human body. Basically, it control how things react and move. So, like suppose you have to pick something, your brain instantly say you have to pick that things, and that's how JavaScript work. So, for example, when you click a button and pop-up appears, when you are shopping cart and when you are shopping, you add to the cart and it added to the cart instantly. That's where JavaScript comes in the game. So when a page load new content without refreshing, that's JavaScript working behind the scene. So the next thing is, what can JavaScript do? Now here, where everything gets interesting. So JavaScript is not just for a website anymore. You can build front-end application using JavaScript framework like React, Vue, or Angular. You can do backend server using Node.js. You can build mobile apps using React Native. Even you can build desktop app using the Electron.js, right? So in short, JavaScript has grown into a full stack language. You can literally build an entire project from database to UI using the only JavaScript. That's how powerful JavaScript is. So the next question is why you should learn it. So the answer is simple, because it's the most powerful language in the world. Every major companies like Google, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon use it in some form. Even whatever you see on the internet is built from the JavaScript. It's a beginner friendly, run directly into the browser, and has one of the largest developer community. So once you learn JavaScript, you open door to web development, mobile apps, and even AI or IoT projects. Now, have you ever wondered how JavaScript work? So when you open a web page, the browser download your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then the JavaScript engine, like Chrome V8 engine, runs the JavaScript code line by line. And that's how you can instantly change text, move element, or fetch data from the API, all without reloading the page. Now, JavaScript literally talks to the browser through something called DOM. I will like explain when we go further to this tutorials that you will explore in a basically we'll explore in a later video. And that is what JavaScript. Now you know what it is, why it's powerful, and why where it is used. So in the next video, we are going to start with the JavaScript tutorial. We'll set up the environment and we will write our first program to make sure how it work. And we are going to set up everything with the with the basis of first program, and we'll end this tutorial by finishing the at least 2 3 projects based on the only a pure JavaScript, right? So the key takeaway from this video: JavaScript, language that adds interactivity to web page. It work with HTML and CSS, used for front end, back end, mobile, and more, and it runs directly into your browser. So hit the like button and subscribe to the array blog, and comment down below what's the first thing you want to build with the JavaScript. And stick with me. We are going to in the next video we are going to start. We are going to set up the JavaScript basic things. We'll understand the basic syntax. Yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you into the next one. Thank you.